Hey folks, listen up. Big news for every gun owner out there. The Trump administration just dropped a new ATF rule that's set to tear down the biggest illegal gun registry the feds ever tried to build. We're talking nearly 1 billion records. That's right, 900 million and climbing, sitting in the ATF's out of business records repository. This isn't some conspiracy. It's straight facts from Gun Owners of America and their Freedom of Information requests back in 2022. And thanks to Trump's executive order on protecting the Second Amendment rights issued back in 2025, the ATF is finally reviewing and rolling back the Biden-era mandates that force gun dealers to keep every single form of 4473 forever. Let's rewind just a bit for some historical context, all right? Back in 1986, Congress passed the Firearms Owners Protection Act specifically to stop the government from creating a national gun registry. They knew what history shows. Tyrants always want to know who has the guns. And the law is crystal clear. No federal agency can maintain a system of registration on firearms, the owners, or transactions. And for decades, dealers only had to hold records, the FFL, for 20 years before having to destroy them. But under Biden, they flipped that script. They made those records permanent for active dealers and digitized millions more from shops that had already closed up. Suddenly, the ATF had a searchable database of gun sales going back to 2002. Basically a backdoor national registry. Biden himself bragged it was as close to universal background checks as possible without new legislation. No vote, no debate. Just executive fiat building a list that could one day be used against law-abiding Americans. Now, fast forward, Trump's EO ordered the ATF to scrub any rules that infringe on our Second Amendment rights. The ATF's own nominee confirmed they're examining whether those old records even have real law enforcement value. Here's the spoiler. Studies show that gun crimes are traced within 10 years or less, and the ATF admits they can't even link most traces to actual prosecutions. The new rules should kill the permanent retention policy outright, and if Gun Owners of America gets its way, force the destruction of that billion record pile too.